someone upload a document, a PDF, a form, or maybe even a scanned file, and instantly the system read it, understand it, and extract important information like name and email, and automatically save into your Google Sheet. So no manual typing, no data entry, no error. Let me show you how you can build it. So this is a PDF which is in voice, and you can extract important information like name, addresses, company, product, their price, etc. So in the first node, which is form trigger, so the workflow start the form trigger node. This is basically our input point. We create a simple form that says upload a file here. So we are giving a title, form title, and in the form element we need to specify a label which is upload a file. Here's an element type of the file because we need to upload a PDF, an image, and a scan form. So this node capture the file and send it to offload automatically. So once you execute it, you can now have a file here. The second step is the most important one. It's the most important one because we take the uploaded file and send it to Mistral AI. Mistral AI is a tool which perform OCR. OCR is optimal character recognition. So it basically extract important information from the images. So in the second node, which is we are uploading a file to OCR. So in the body, we can see we have a key concept, and body content type equal to form data. Form data is used when we uploading files, sending images, and sending PDFs. So instead of structured JSON, we use multi-part upload format, and uh, and the name we specifying is some. We can specify any name. Let's say we have purpose, and we also need to provide a value so that they know what we need to perform. We want it to perform OCR. OCR means optical character recognition that convert images into readable text. So we are telling it to not just store this file, read it, and extract it from later. And the type is binary file. This is the actual file coming from the form. So basically, user upload a file, form is stored here, and this is how real file upload the system work behind. So if I show you the API, so you will go to Mistral AI API, and in the file section, when you go to upload file, there is API. This API we are using, and we need to specify two: one file name we are giving, and the second is content, which is like purpose and what you want to perform. Now the next step is the now we perform actual OCR. So earlier we upload a file. Now Mistral gave a file ID. So if I execute the previous node, now Mistral has given us ID, and we use this ID to perform OCR. So first we are using this URL, which is like the OCR. You go to OCR section, and now this is the endpoint we are using, and the request will be post, and we need to specify two. One is document, which is file ID, which we get from previous node, and the model that will perform the OCR. So from the OCR, so we are specifying these details: the file ID and the model name. Now, the fourth step is now we take the OCR output and pass it into an AI information extractor node. This node is responsible for turning messy data into text. So we have markdown format here. So in the previous node, the when it performs OCR, it has given us a whole file as a text. Now we have a text, we can give it to AI information extractor to extract name. So we are saying that only extract name and emails, and when you execute this step, and in the text you need to drop it down here. Now we have a name and the email. If I show you, the name is rt, this one, and then email, this one. So we have it here. Now the last step is just to put this invoice information into some sort of CRM. So we are using Google Sheets, so you can go select your document, select your sheet, and now you can define your ID, which is sorry. So you can define name here and then email. So just paste it here. Now once you execute it, you now have a name and the email. Okay, you now have a name and email, and you can also extract other information. Thank you for watching this.